There's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute. I'm about to quit my job, cash in, boy.